Did you know that each piece of clothing you wear starts out as a humble ball of cotton? But have you ever wondered how those fluffy bales are transformed into the clothes you love? Well, it's a fascinating process that involves ginning, carding, drawing, roving, spinning, and weaving. And at the heart of it all, there's a secret ingredient that makes it possible: synthetic fibers. Welcome to our channel, where we unlock the secrets of modern manufacturing and reveal the incredible machines that make our world go round. Today we're taking you behind the scenes of a cotton factory to show you how it is done. Get ready to be amazed by the ingenuity and innovation of these hard-working factories that bring us the clothes we wear every day. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an exciting episode. Now let's get started. The first step in making cotton fabric is ginning. This is the process of removing seeds from the cotton plant. Once the cotton is picked, it's transported to the gin, where it's cleaned and sorted. The raw cotton is then passed through a series of rollers that press the fibers against a wire mesh, which separates them from the seeds and other debris. The next step is carding, which aligns the cotton fibers into a continuous strand. The fibers are brushed and combed to remove any remaining impurities and then passed through a series of rollers that squeeze the strands into a thin sheet. This process creates a uniform and consistent material that's ready for the next stage: drawing. Drawing is the process of stretching and aligning the cotton fibers to improve their strength and quality. The continuous strand of cotton is pulled and extended, which realigns the fibers and makes the material stronger and more flexible. This process also helps to reduce shrinkage and improve the overall appearance of the fabric. After drawing, the cotton is ready for roving, which is the process of twisting the fibers together to form a rope-like strand. This process is done using a set of rollers that twist the material as it passes through, creating a strong and durable strand that can be used for sewing and weaving. The final step before spinning is a process called hackling. This process uses sharp needles to remove any remaining impurities and shorten the fibers to a uniform length. This ensures that the cotton will spin into a smooth and consistent yarn. Spinning is the process of turning the roving into yarn. The yarn is created by twisting the strand together, which causes the individual fibers to interlock and form a continuous thread. This process is done using a spinning frame, which consists of a set of rollers and spindles that twist and wind the yarn into place. The result is a strong and flexible yarn that can be used for sewing and weaving. Finally, we have weaving, which is the process of creating fabric by interlacing the yarn at right angles to form a woven structure. This process is done using a loom, which is a large machine that consists of two sets of rotating beams, one for the warp threads and one for the weft threads. The loom controls the tension and spacing of the threads, creating a strong and durable fabric. The result is the cotton fabric we use to make our clothes. But wait, there's more. Did you know that cotton processing can be harmful to the environment? That's why many factories are investing in eco-friendly alternatives like ozone bleaching, which uses ozone gas to bleach the cotton without the use of harsh chemicals. These innovations are helping to reduce the environmental impact of cotton processing and create a more sustainable future for the fashion industry. We've seen how cotton is transformed into fabric through ginning, carding, drawing, roving, spinning, and weaving. But did you know that there are different types of cotton fabrics? From denim to canvas to corduroy, each type has its unique properties and uses. For example, denim is a sturdy and durable fabric that's perfect for jeans and other casual wear. Canvas, on the other hand, is a heavier weight fabric that's often used for outdoor gear and upholstery. And corduroy is a soft and comfortable fabric that's great for pants and jackets. At a glance, Cotton Factory is a mesmerizing journey into the world of textile manufacturing. Viewers get an up-close look at the fascinating process of turning raw cotton into finished fabric. The documentary showcases the latest technologies and innovations in the cotton industry, including state-of-the-art ginning, spinning, and weaving machines. But it's not just about the machines. At a glance, Cotton Factory also explores the human element of textile manufacturing. Viewers learn about the skilled workers who operate the complex machinery and the role they play in ensuring the production of high-quality fabric. The documentary also touches on the environmental impact of cotton farming and the efforts being made to promote sustainable practices. Overall, at a glance, Cotton Factory is a must-watch for anyone interested in textile manufacturing or the fashion industry. It's a well-made and informative documentary that celebrates the ingenuity and hard work that goes into producing the cotton fabric we rely on every day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing content and join the conversation by leaving a comment below. We'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.